welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed, and everyone will have a chance to vote which product is their favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to give you a reminder to give this video a thumbs up. And now let's talk about the products. Today I really wanted to talk about some Olaplex products with you, and we got one right here. Boom! Olaplex No.7 Bonding Oil. This one is just 1 ounce. This is a pretty good amount for 1 ounces. You could get it at Olaplex.com, Sephora, Ulta Beauty, and of course Amazon. They do work with Olaplex as well. Yeah. And if you're a pro, you could get it at pro stores. Woohoo! It is $28 and should last you around 12 months. Free of aldehydes, formaldehydes, DEA, gluten-free, nut-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, phosphate and sulfate-free. Also acts like a heat protector and a UV protector. Not only that, it is of course cruelty-free, vegan, and pH balanced. It is great for all hair types. A highly concentrated, weightless styling oil that repairs. No.7 extremely increases shine, softness, and keeps color vibrant. While doing all that, it also helps minimize frizz and flyaways. It repairs damage, it strengthens, and of course protects the hair structure. It should restore the health and of course restore your texture. First main ingredient in this is bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate. Okay, I'm going to put this down to explain this. So it works by getting sulfur hydrogen bonds, then cross-linking them back together to form disulfide bonds. Like this. Then we have grapeseed oil, or Vitis vinifera. That means it has anti-aging compounds and beta-carotene. Also vitamin D, C, and E. Last, it has essential fatty acids and polyphenols to nourish and protect the hair. The third main ingredient in this is fermented green tea oil. It is nutrition for the hair. It will help with the feel of it, the absorption, and the
Let me try that again.
And the compatibility.
Okay.
Now, how to use this? You want to use this daily or maybe just before hairstyling or even after a shower. Your choice. You could use it on wet to dry hair or even as just a heat protection. So what you want to do with this is you want to twist. And then it has this little nozzle thingy, kind of like soy sauce. You turn it over, use your index finger, which I think is this one. Do like 1 or 2 squirts. And then I have dry hair, so I'm going to do it on my dry hair. And go ahead and apply it. And of course you go all the way up to the top. I have a lot of hair, so I definitely might need more drops. That looks pretty good. And it's that easy. And we can move on to the next product now. There we go.
Yeah, shine.
Next one up is Olaplex No.0. Intensive bond building treatment. Squish squish. This one is 5.2 ounces, and yes, it is a take-home bottle. You could use it at home. It's not like No.1 and 2, which means salon-only products. You can find this at Olaplex.com, Sephora, and Ulta Beauty. I unfortunately could not find it in their Amazon store. I don't know why, but finding it at the other stores is kind of convenient anyways. And don't forget about checking out Target and Kohl's because they're connected with Sephora and Ulta now. You might be able to find it there on their website. Also, of course, the pro stores. Yeah, you can usually find it there. Pros only. Price of it is $28 and should last you around 12 months. But It also mentions that it will last you 3 to 6 applications depending on your hair length and your density of the hair, like how thick it is,
How coarse it is.
so just remember that, which means of course it is for all hair types. Yay! Again, vegan, cruelty-free, DEA, free of aldehydes, free of formaldehydes, pH balance, gluten-free, nut-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, phosphate, and sulfate-free. This primes hair for max repair. So this number 0 is made to look like a hairspray so that you could spray it like that. There is another 0 where it is a bottle. It has a little nozzle tip where you turn it over and it squishes out all over your hair, kind of like when you color your hair. But that one comes in a kit with the number 3. So yes, they really want you to use this with number 3. And I believe you could find that kit at Olaplex.com as well. I'll post a picture here so you can see how it looks like and what I'm talking about when I'm saying nozzle. But this one, I feel like it is a little bit more convenient with the spray. But unfortunately, that means you had to buy this one and number 3 separately. So because you're spraying it, you are spraying the highest concentration of the patented bond building technology that's in all of Olaplex onto your hair. So you want to use it with number 3 so that you can straighten and repair your damaged hair. And since you're using it with number 3, that means you're going to have to shower afterwards. I'll explain more in my demo. But yeah, if done right, your hair will be 68% repaired and 3 times stronger. Yeah. Again, the main ingredient in this is bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate. Other than that, you just have water, phenoxyethanol, and sodium benzoate. Now, how do we use this? We use this 1 to 3 times a week if you really need it. If it's really that damaged, you could just do 1 or 2. You want to use this before you're going in the shower, on your dry hair. Make sure it's dry. I'm not going to spray it now because I already took a shower and my hair is beautiful. But yes, go ahead, spray it. I'm going to put the lock on so I don't spray myself. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Spray, spray, spray. Make sure it's fully saturated. You probably want to do this section by section. So if you have hair clips or even hair ties, go ahead, get one section. Just so everything can really get fully saturated. I usually like to start on the bottom and then work my way to the top.
That's me.
So you grab one section, spray, 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 fully saturate that. Then you get another section. And you don't have to make, big sections. You could break them in half. Make sure they're kind of small so you could tell that they're fully saturated. And when I say fully saturated, I mean wet. Spray, spray, spray. Grab the other one, spray, spray, spray. But since you're getting it all wet, make sure you're not drenched in it. Just a little bit damp. Don't be drenched like, rain. Nah, you don't need that. You don't need that. You'll be overusing the product at that point. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then you could rinse it out. That's if you're using this by yourself. But since they highly recommend you to use it with the number 3, go ahead, spray this first, then put the number 3 on top of that. Now the number 3 is a hair mask. So you're going to have that, you're going to make sure to put that section by section as well. Make sure it's nice and saturated. Not drenched. Then wait the 10 minutes and then you can rinse out. Of course, by this point you're taking your shower, so they're probably going to want you to use your Olaplex number 4 and 5. They have so many now. Basically the shampoo and conditioner after that. Or go ahead and use your regular shampoo and conditioner that you like to use. And of course, color safe. Okay, now we're going to hear from the results. Oh, my mic's way over here. And the winner is... That would be this one. Number 0, 67%, and number 7, only 33%. Woohoo! Congratulations! You are the winner. Not only do you protect us, you also heal us. Thank you for repairing the damage that we like to do to our hair, especially when we bleach it. Yes, Olaplex is definitely meant for like those who bleach their hair a lot and color their hair. But as said before, it is for all hair types. So if you want something that might heal your damaged hair, I highly recommend you trying Olaplex. They are pretty good and they're always recommended to me as well. Every time when people, mostly when hairstylists see my hair color, they're like, did you try Olaplex? Yeah, I don't know. It is a very, very popular product. If you don't want to try Olaplex, that's fine as well. There are many, many dupes for it now because everybody wants to be like Olaplex. Okay, that's it. Now I want to hear from you. Which one is your favorite that you heard about today? Whether it was I always confuse these, number 7 or number 0. Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you, and I will feature you in next week's video. We don't have a feature this week from last week's video because it was about lashes. Ooh. I know a lot of people aren't into getting products just for their lashes. Things do cost a lot, so you want to be simple about it and just get a mascara and get it over with, buy some fake eyelashes. But if you really want to put some money into something, I highly recommend you check out my last week's video. It's about eyelash serum. And yeah, try those products, see how they work for you. And that's all. Thank you again for watching this video. Thank you again for voting on my polls. And yeah, that would be it. I'll see you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.